think a transformer just blew because that wasn't lightning.
What? What?
So I think something just blew because that wasn't lightning.
Who's that in the chair?
There's only... Yeah, did you hear that? That's a transformer. Transformer just blew. There's only 3 chairs. Oh. See you, Grandma! Come on, I'm grabbing the table. What? Yeah.
What's going on?
We're putting the stuff back on. Everything fell along here.
Oh,
And a transformer blew somewhere over there. You see how it's dark over there?
Yeah.
Power's out. It's dark, pitch black over there. Yeah.
Right there.
I just want to stay here for a second.
Why don't you get over here? You gotta stay out of there.
There's one more plant that's turned. You ever go get that last plant? It's in a pot.
Which one?
It's like it's in a plot. That's right here along.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, right here.
Fuck. Holy shit.